All right, so it looks as if the zipper is sewn down to the pants with a straight stitch first. And once attached to the pants, then the zipper, it is attached to the pants with the zipper at the edge, at the fold of the pants, and the lining of the zipper lines up with the edge of the pants and the lining. So the zipper is in between the lining. Nope. It is the zipper, then the pants, then the lining. So straight stitch, attach that first behind the actual zipper. Then lock in the zipper with the overlock. Once attached with the overlock, then lock in the flap only at the top here. Okay, so once again, we will attach the zipper to the pants flat out first with the connectors for the zipper at the fold of the pants, making sure that the lining of the zipper matches with the edge of the pants and the lining. Then once that's attached, use the overlock to lock the edge of the zipper. The edge of the lining of the zipper to the pants, with the pants being in between the pants lining and the zipper lining. Then once that is attached, fold the flap back again and close that up. Hem that together with a straight stitch. And I think that shall complete it. Extremely hopeful. Extremely hopeful. All right, here goes nothing. So I'm going to start by taking out the straight stitch first. So what I've discovered here is that after detaching the edge of the zipper lining from the edge of the pants and the pants liner, is that the pants and the liner are actually attached solely by the overlock, and the liner for the zipper was attached with just a straight stitch. So we may not need the overlock really at all. May just have to use straight stitches on this whole thing. We shall see the more we take apart. All right, so we officially have some zipperless pants. Pin the zipper into our pants. Okay, so we're going to, with the invisible part of the zipper facing the outer part of the pants, okay, so that when we attach, we have our invisible zipper. Uh-oh. Yeah, there we go. So that way when we attach, invisible zipper. Okay. So, need to unzip it first. Okay, with the zipper on the inside and the zipper facing out, okay, attach. Why does it look so weird? It's correct though. Attaching the zipper, we're gonna pin it, match the edge, the end of the zipper, the little teeth, to the top of the pants. And right where the fold is, of course the teeth go by the fold, and we're just going to pin it. In place, just like that. Yeah. We are certainly on the right track. There we are. When we zip these babies up, I'm not gonna do it now because all my needles are sticking out, but when we zip these up, we will have a nice pair of pants with a non-broken zipper.